I have been asked to review the Beko MOC 20100W microwave oven. The item arrived well packaged and easy to set up. It's a good colour, as you can see, and fits in well in our kitchen. It has a removable turntable, which makes cleaning very easy. The control panel is very easy to follow. It has 6 functions round here, from defrost to rapid heat. The timer button is also easy to follow. It has times and it also has kilogram weights to use when defrosting an item. The door open button is easy to use also. When you're going to use the microwave, you just turn this button to the correct number, and then you close it and it automatically goes on. It's not too noisy. It doesn't make too much noise. And when it's finished, as you'll hear in a second, it makes a nice loud ping. This product was obtained to replace a slightly bigger model, as it wasn't able to go in a cupboard to be integrated, and this one is a super one that fits perfectly into the size that we required it for.